What's up, YouTube? Secret Squirrel here. Today's video is from River City Airsoft in Hamlin, New York. It was our first visit out to this field with the rest of Squirrel Team 6, and I have to say, it did not disappoint. I even brought a new toy out for today's games. Let's see how we do with it. This first game mode is called Rush. If you ever played Battlefield, you'll get the idea. Let's get into the action. Not exactly how I wanted to start out, but I'll take that trade. So I guess now's a good time to talk about the new toy. I just picked up the Cyma M14 about 2 weeks ago. I really love the classic look of the M14 and the fact that I can still full auto just under limit with range. That's pretty cool too. As you're about to see, it does pretty well. I think blue team finally figured out they weren't getting much in this direction. Time to change positions. Unfortunately, that didn't exactly work out for me. At this point, blue team had only managed to lock down one of the 5 flags. Time to head over to the second one and see if we can hold it down and run out the clock.
Move around right. What's that? Oh, no, I'm not blue. Sorry. I should take those off. They're coming around.
You guys got 3 minutes. This one is very hard to attack. We had a hell of a goal back there. You're not even reaching.
Nope.
He's trying to lob him and it's not working. Oh, good.
Where are they?
He's in the way back. He's not even reaching it. 1 minute!
They trying to flank us? We don't run out of time to do that. Where are they at? Over here?
Yeah, right on that pallet. There's a blue switch there. 30 seconds!
Got him!
M14 showing off its range again.
Can we just see another one?
Good!
Time?
10 seconds.
Oh, got enough time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
Woo! Holla!
Like it and subscribe, like it and subscribe, like it and subscribe.